In front of me is Google Pixel 5, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer and enter keypad. And the first code that we will use is *##07#. And here you can reach the regulatory labels, so if you'd like to check it all, you will find it under this code. Smoothly enter and then scroll to check everything. Then let's go back. And now we'll enter truly similar code because it's *#06#, not 7, so just one digit difference. And as you can see, this code will provide you with IMEI number, also serial number. And so if you need some device information, smoothly enter this code and you will be provided with all details. So tap on OK to close it. And now we can open a testing panel. It is performed by Google, and the code to access this panel is *##4636###. And as you can see here in this testing Google panel, you can find phone info, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. Under phone information, you've got IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and so on. A bit lower, you can perform a ping test, and then you can check the results here. Then under user statistics, you can find detailed information regarding your apps. And then under Wi-Fi information, you can check Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So just click on each to access the details. And also this last one, which is Wi-Fi status, allows you to perform a ping test. So just click here, and here it is. Obviously, to check the status of your Wi-Fi, smoothly refresh it, and below you've got the results. So that will be all for this one. And another code that you can use in your Google Pixel is the code that will redirect you to Google, not actually Google, but to calendar info. And the code is *##225###. And actually I do not have any calendar here. However, if you have Google Calendar, iPhone calendar, whatever connected with your account in this Google Pixel, it will all be displayed right here, so you will not forget about any upcoming event. Let me go back. And the last code that I would like to share with you today is *##426###. And here we've got the diagnostic mode. You can find here events and also status. And if you'd like to enroll some more details, tap on more icon and pick advanced view. And as you can see, here it is. So that will be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.